Welcome back to Teknobalta. Today, we are tackling a critical issue for competitive gamers, the FACEIT secure boot error, specifically on MSI platforms. Many users with modern MSI motherboards, like the B650M Gaming Plus Wi-Fi, report a frustrating paradox. Even when Secure Boot and TPM 2.0 are clearly enabled in the BIOS, the FACEIT Anti-Cheat displays a warning. The error message states, "Secure Boot is not working properly." This prevents players from joining matches. We at Teknobalta analyzed this behavior and identified the root cause within the MSI firmware logic. It is not enough for the setting to be enabled. The anti-cheat requires a specific state of key enrollment and security presets. Some users try to ignore the warning, but the anti-cheat eventually forces a restart or fails to validate the session. This creates a loop where the user enters their credentials, the system validates, and then the anti-cheat shuts down. To fix this, we must dive into the BIOS and adjust how the motherboard handles security variables. First, we must ensure the system is running the latest firmware. MSI frequently releases updates to improve compatibility. Before making changes, verify that your system is in UEFI mode and not CSM mode. CSM, or Compatibility Support Module, is an old boot method that is incompatible with modern secure boot requirements. If your BIOS main screen shows CSM is active, secure boot will never function correctly for FACEIT. Once you have confirmed UEFI mode, navigate to the Settings tab in your MSI BIOS. From there, enter the Advanced menu and look for Windows OS Configuration. Inside this menu, you will find the Secure Boot submenu. This is where the primary configuration happens. You might see Secure Boot set to Enabled, but look closely at the Secure Boot mode or preset. MSI motherboards often default to a standard mode, which may not enroll the necessary factory keys correctly. The critical step is to find the Secure Boot preset option. Change this setting from Standard to Maximum Security. By selecting Maximum Security, you are instructing the firmware to strictly enforce signature verification on all boot components. This mode ensures that the UEFI variables required by FACEIT are properly presented to the operating system. After changing the preset, you must save your changes and reboot. Press F10 to save and exit. If you still encounter issues, you may need to enroll factory default keys within the same menu. This resets the Secure Boot database and ensures the platform keys are authentic. We at Teknobalta have observed that some users experience a black screen after enabling these settings. This usually happens if the GPU does not support UEFI or if the Windows installation is on an MBR partition. If you get a black screen, you must reset your CMOS by removing the motherboard battery for 30 seconds. Once back in Windows, verify the status by typing System Information in the search bar. Look for Secure Boot State. It should now say On without any warnings in the FACEIT client. Another requirement for FACEIT is memory integrity, also known as core isolation. This is a virtualization-based security feature that protects sensitive processes in Windows. Some users find that memory integrity impacts performance, but for FACEIT, it is often mandatory. If your motherboard is an ASRock or ASUS, the menu names might differ slightly, but the logic remains the same. Always look for key management or security presets to satisfy the anti-cheat's deep kernel checks. We at Teknobalta recommend keeping your BIOS updated to the latest AGES-A version for better stability. For those using AMD Ryzen systems, ensure fTPM is set to enabled or AMD CPU fTPM. This hardware-level TPM is essential for Windows 11 and modern competitive gaming platforms. If you have followed these steps, the secure boot is not working properly warning should vanish. You are now ready to queue for your next match with full anti-cheat compliance. Remember, technical issues like these are often caused by default firmware settings being too permissive. By switching to maximum security, we close those gaps and satisfy the security requirements. If you encounter any further errors, check if any third-party drivers are blocking memory integrity. Incompatible drivers are a common reason why core isolation cannot be turned on. We at Teknobalta suggest using the DISM tool to clean up any corrupted system files if problems persist. Open Command Prompt as administrator and run the Restore Health command. This ensures your Windows environment is as stable as your BIOS configuration. To summarize, disable CSM, enable UEFI, set secure boot to maximum security, and update your BIOS. These steps provide the most robust solution for MSI motherboard owners facing this issue. Don't forget to follow Teknobalta for more expert technical deep dives and hardware solutions. We are committed to helping you optimize your rig for the best gaming experience possible. If this guide helped you, share it with your teammates who might be stuck in the same loop. Technical excellence is our priority at Teknobalta. See you in the next analysis. Stay secure, stay updated, and keep gaming. This has been a Teknobalta technical briefing. Signing off from the lab. Pause for 5 seconds of technical background music. Pause for 5 seconds of technical background music. Pause for 5 seconds of technical background music. Final outro.